Welcome back to Scrapbook.com. Check out this newest stamp set. It is an exclusive photopolymer stamp set called Make It Jolly. This stamp set features 4 unique sentiments, and they're perfect for the inside of the card, the outside, perfect to add to a crafting project or a planner page or a scrapbook you're working on. They're also great for the back of the envelope when you're sending out your Christmas cards. Let's take a closer look at the sentiments. This one says, in a really fun kind of handwriting font, "From our family to yours, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." I can see this definitely on the outside of a card or on the inside, and then you can sign your names and add a personal note. This one features a traditional sentiment with the fun typewriter font. It says, "Wishing you a season that's merry and bright, filled with laughter and good cheer." This one is a bold, simple sentiment. It says, "Make it jolly, so jolly." I love that one. And then, "Wishing you peace, love, and joy this holiday season and throughout the new year." I love that it also features the new year, so you can, even if you're sending out those cards late, it'll talk about the Happy New Year. Let's take a look at some of the adorable samples that have recently been sent in with this stamp set. I love the blues and the snowflakes in this one. You can see some gorgeous white glitter that makes those snowflakes really pop. And this one features white embossing, and it features that "Wishing you a season that's merry and bright" sentiment. This sample features a bunch of beautiful rhinestones that really pop. They're like the icicles in the forest. And it has the sentiment, "From our family to yours, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." Look at the dimension on that one. Love this one because it features that "Make it jolly, so jolly" sentiment. And then they have some die cut letters that say "Holly." And another cute sample that features that "Make it jolly, so jolly" sentiment. This one features a really fun scene with the elf or little kid carrying the large ornaments, and she hand markered those in. And then lastly, this is a gorgeous, stunning sample that features the bold red glitter with that die cut, very intricate die cut on top. And I love the little sprigs and holly leaves in the corners. And if you want to see more or see all of the products used on these card samples, remember just to click the link below and you'll see the product page for the stamp sentiment. If you just scroll down on that product page, you will see the gallery examples, and you can click the one that caught your eye, and then that way you'll see the entire product list linked.